It's SuperCool27 here, and I want to discuss something with you that just paves me off. It's called nature. I'm in it right now. You see, the thing I hate most about nature is just, boy oh boy, them skunks. They sure do smell bad. And boy oh boy, them hillbillies. Let me tell you about hillbillies. Them and their little rifles can get off my lawn. I hate them. You know? You feel me? The wonderful nature. Sure is a shame the skunks. Bird over there. I hate birds because they're part of nature. Nature stinks, man. If I could kill anything, and people litter just like that, man. Oh, the winds are blowing. Luckily, I can sustain myself. I'm real good at it. You see, hills like these, you gotta watch out, 'cause you got them woods over there and you got them. Both pretty bad. There could be some skunks out there. And I hate them darn skunks. Gotta be careful. Oh, there's gnats flying around. Oh, smack 'em. Yeah, smacked one, it died. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, no skanks at all. None over here, but that's a big rock, and that could fall and break my leg. My point proven. You've been struck by a smooth criminal. Dead end over there. It says dead end. Anyways, I made it up the hill practically. So, no skanks were gonna get me. How beautiful. Would be a shame if I fell down there. Walking up some stairs. I'm gonna knock on a house and see what happens. It was a success. Door opened. What's new, pussycat? Oh, he's coming out. Swagmaster 69 is coming out. It's all good. I decided that I will walk to the store. Got some hillbillies behind me. Maybe some skanks. Yeah, you never know.